In this video, you're going to learn top coin to buy right now on spot for potential 10x or even more of profit. Let's start. Before, push like, subscribe to get more updates in the future. Thank you. In this video, I'm going to tell you about BitDAO. It is a token of Bybit exchange. Why? I personally bought this token. 10% of my portfolio at this moment I put into BitDAO. That's why. Why? And how to buy it. First, below this video there would be a link on Bybit exchange. Open by our link and you will get 10% fee discount. Why I bought this token? Because first, take a look. Go to CoinMarketCap and take a look on exchanges. By opening derivative exchanges, you would see that Bybit, it is fifth biggest crypto derivative exchange. They have a lot of volume. They generate a lot of money and fee that helps them to make money. The next reason why I think that Bybit token could rise up quite a lot, take a look on a lot of tokens of crypto exchanges. BNB 11 cents after that, 27 USD, so many percentage, take a look. After that BNB rise to 659 USD, it is, friends, a lot of X. It is 6,000 X, it is not even percent. Crypto.com 1.7 cents. And take a look at this moment, 37. FTX token start at 1.1 USD, at this moment 62, 30x. This exchange 1.2, 3. In this case only 3x. KuCoin 88 cents, 20 USD, my friends, it is 25x. Here 1.6 USD on top, it was 42 USD, it looks also nearly 25x. Huobi token 1.4 USD at high 34, it means also more than 20x. This token on this exchange only started, not a big period of time. This token, take a look, 88 cents at high 11.2, it is 15x. Take a look, all tokens of all exchanges rise up so much. That's why, what about BitDAO? That started at 1.50 USD. If that would be 20x, that means 30 USD. It is really possible for this token. Also, they started Launchpad, and people that would like to take part in Launchpad, they should buy that token. That's why. Invest, link below, subscribe to that account. If you need any help, write in a comment. I personally will reply to you, especially if you will open account by our link. Thank you.